Flatwell is the de facto leader of the Rubicon Liberation Front. If he's accompanying you in person, he must be planning to take your measure.
Main system, activating combat mode.
Commence mission. This will be a joint operation with Middle Flatwell, the Liberation Front commander.
They're coming, Raven. Whenever the moment is right.
What could this emergency call from V2 be about, sir?
That's just nail me. Ambush! Peter! What's your status?
Superficial damage. No abnormality.
Good. Open fire. That was a clever ruse. Wasn't it, Peter? Would have been the first time scale sensors running at a moment's notice.
Just a bait hook, line, and sinker, sir.
It seems the Vesper's elites aren't easily rattled. Well, try brute force. Raven! What's this? Please, I can't take anymore. Sir, I can't! Peter! Finish this. Wonder Rusty's not surviving me. Want to join the Vespers?
V5 Hawkins down. Both Vespers have been eliminated. Mission accomplished.
It was a privilege, Raven. We're war buddies now. Maybe I'll find a comrade in you yet.